Now next chapter we are going to start, it is relations and functions. Now in this chapter what we are going to do? The contents of the chapters are introduction, about the relations and then about the function, Cartesian product of the sets, relations, functions, some functions and their graphs, algebra of real functions, then domain and range of a function, and in some functions, I have written some functions, not all functions, some functions and their graphs. Now which are that functions which are in syllabus for this year, that are written on this side. Identity function, constant function, polynomial function, rational function, the modulus function, signum function and greatest integer functions. So in the form of functions, these will be new, but you might have heard about all the first 4 or first 5. So this is the contents which we are going to cover in this